Delivery charge lang mo. Delivery charge. Ayan. Bali, sasakop na tayo dito. Hindi na lang mo, para maparesist ako.
Surprises and gifts delivery. Looking for a perfect surprise gift for your loved ones? Look, now we do Van Trunk Surprise. We just don't deliver gifts, we deliver memories. We deliver anywhere in Leyte and Samar.
Hello guys, good evening everyone. Nagpapalik naman surprise gift delivery at we are bound to Tacloban City para i-surprise si Mom Shenaline sa kanilang anniversary ni Sir Rolando. At ayun, maraming salamat po kay Sir Rolando for surprising gift delivery for being a part of your anniversary surprise para kay Mom. So ayun, congratulations nga pala at 10 years na silang nagsasama ni Mom. At ayun, maraming salamat po sa mga nagsusupport. Lalo na sa mga followers namin at sa mga hindi pa nakapollow dyan, baka naman pakipollow na lang po yung page namin at sa mga nais mo pa-surprise sa kanilang mga mahal sa buhay dito at sa Samar at Leyte. So doon, kontakin nyo naman po ang surprise gift delivery at kahit saan po kayo sa Samar at Leyte ay susurpresa namin yung mga mahal nyo sa buhay. At don't worry kasi nasa safe hand po yung money nyo na siguradong may papahatid natin yung mga surprise ang nais yung may pahatid sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay. So ayun, maraming salamat po and God bless everyone. Keep safe and peace out. By the way, eto nga pala yung video ng package namin. Meron tayong cake, heart cake, sa anniversary, tapos meron siyang kakanin, meron siyang heart balloon, meron siyang anniversary na Standy Balloon at meron tayong 1,000 worth of money bouquet. Ayun, red and gold po tayo ngayon. At maraming salamat po. God bless everyone. Keep safe and peace out. Wala hirangan niya na rum. Gumawa siya.
A few moments later.
Delivery charge lang mo. Delivery charge. Ayan. Bali, sasakop na tayo dito. Hindi na lang mo, para maparesist ako.
Sa iyong ngiti, yeah! Umalik.
po din aton sender na Sir Rolando. Happy 10th anniversary. Our journey so far has been an amazing ride. And the best part has been having you by my side. As time passes, my love for you only grows stronger. And may this what always remind us our love will last forever. You are my all and my forever. My happily ever after. I love you. Ay, sana all. So ayan, ang content message ng atong sender. From surprises and gift delivery, gusto niya mapalipay ka na ng person. At when nakakitang po, happy anniversary. Happy 10th wedding anniversary. Yan, sir, kinatawa ito. Didi.
Sa iyong ngiti
Yan mo po ang drinks for me.
Sana all.
Ipag niya ba? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Sige, yan. Ito kita. Picture.
Message ni Ma'am Paula.
Oo. Ma'am, ba may message ka para concern?
Anniversary na mo dyan.
Oo. Ba may message si Ma'am Liwat para haim?
Wow, may message.
Oo. May daiton.
May ito. Kaya may anak message ba ya?
Okay, sana kayo wala kami kumita, sir.
Bakit? Bakit?
So, ayan. Thank you so much. Ano, ma-picture lang kami, sir.
Imagine anything with a mist. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do through the years. You've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found with you through the years. I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do through the years. You've never let